What's good, ladies and gentlemen? I go by the name Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and you are welcome to World Wave Radio, where we bring the word to you. So, about 2, 3 months, no, about 6 months ago, I got a call from my management saying that YouTube reached out to them as regards an advert that we want to do for YouTube. So, they sent me everything that they wanted. Okay, we wanted a beat that, sounds African, that tells a story basically. So I'm like, oh yeah, you've come to the right man. Please, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the king of new wave. You come to the right place. They reached out to us as Krizbeatz, not Wave Radio, not this channel. They reached out to Krizbeatz. So I feel like, yeah, so when they sent their stuff in, they said they want this, explain so many things. We wanted something that tells a story, that has the African vibe to it, that once you hear it, you can tell that this is Africa. I think it was for the Black Voices 2021 that they did. It's supposed to be for 2022, but they did the campaign in 2021. But enough chit-chatting, enough talk. I'm going to go into the studio and show you how I like to approach making music, the story and everything behind it, and how every string, every drum, every percussion, every sample tells a story. Don't go nowhere. Let's go. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I go by the name Krizbeatz, the drummer boy, and no, I've already introduced myself, so scratch that. So forget I said that. But yeah, I still go by the name Krizbeatz, the drummer boy. That's my name. So yeah, like I explained in the intro, when they sent it to me, they said they wanted something that reminds people of being black. Of course, you can't forget that you are black, but sometimes there are some things that, like we like to say, it is personal to black people. So I started with this sample here, this one. Yeah, so that one brought me back to the motherland. Yeah, brought me back to the motherland. And then, yeah, after that, of course, we are the king and queens of, so that the ladies won't feel some type of way. We are the king and queens of creating moods. Then this. If you hear the two together. Yeah, so after that, went for my kids. So when it comes to kids, you have to be careful when you're selecting kids, because a particular kid might change the meaning of the song, can change what you are trying to get, what you're trying to achieve. So yeah, this is my drum pattern. And of course, with the Ama shaker. Ama shaker means Ama piano shaker. So I created this shaker. And of course, there's no making an African beat without adding like more percussion, vocal elements in it, like. Yeah, so you see that one is a banger. Let's sip some tea to that. Life is head. Don't do BC. Life is header, brother. Life. Yeah, I mean, you get it. There is a particular language in Nigeria. It's Igbo. So yeah. So after adding that, I figured that, okay, this with the other percussions that we had, the other vocal, this thing sounds like when the king is coming back for something, like, oh, all the money that you owe me, I'm coming. Hey, all the money that you're owing me, I'm coming back to take it. So, there's nothing that speaks black as saying, oh, everything that we've lost as blacks, we're coming back for it. That was, my interpretation. They wanted something that speaks volume, that when you hear it, you can say, oh, this is Africa. I made 2 beats for this, actually. I'm so surprised that they picked this one. Let me give you a sample of what the other beat sounds like. Yeah, this one says, this is Africa. It says, this is Africa. Like, I'm so shocked they didn't pick this one. Yeah, so sorry for the break in transmission. I'm just in my mood. I just wanted to show you that, yeah, I made two and they picked this. The two had similar things, but yeah, they picked this and we're talking about this. Yeah, so after adding those elements, I went into Serum, selected a particular Reese bass, witch bass. It's called a witch bass. So witch. So yeah, it sounds like this. I mean, there's no witch without talking about us. I think we're the alpha and omega of witches. So yeah. Oh, I didn't show you guys that. Actually, I brought back the push. I took out the machine. I think I'll give out the machine on this channel. Please let me know in the comment section if you want the machine, the previous drum pad I was using here. You know, maybe I'll do like something. I'll pick randomly. I don't want people to throw me stones, but I'll pick randomly. If you win it, you win it. If you don't, maybe some other time when I'm giving out this. Or maybe when I want to give out the monitors, I want to give out this chair. I'm moving into a new studio. I just bought a house, ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, you people should send money. We should start buying furniture for the other place. So let's go. We did this. Then I brought in the chants, everything I have. Then this was this. Yeah, so I did that. Then I added this Krizbeatz riser to kind of like create that. It's coming. We'll say. Yeah, then I sidechain that to the kick, to a kick that goes with a little bit of delay. I think after this video, we'll talk about compressor and sidechaining with compressor and everything. So that's what's creating the pumping effect. Yeah, that one. Then this sample was actually recorded by Ricardo Banks. This is Ricardo Banks' voice. Yeah. So I chopped it in one of the records we did. Shout out to Ricky, baby, by the way. So wow. Yeah, then wow by my friend. I had my friend sample this wow for me. So then yeah, after that, what else? Yeah. And just some few chops here and there. Yeah, this one sounds like you are now listening to music from Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, be deliberate about everything you use. If this was a love song, I know the type of sound I want to pick. That is the most beautiful thing about making music. It's not just about putting things together. It's not just about making, bring this on. There are some songs that you cannot sing love song to. If not, you'll be singing love song and then they'll sound like you are doing, sounds like words and opposites, So added all these things and then they told me to take out a particular thing that has some electronical elements in them. So I had to take them down and then, yeah, let's listen to the beat and let me know what you think. Okay, let's go. So listen with me. I'm going to pretend I'm listening to for the first time and I'll tell you what I think. Remember, I mix, so I can listen to a song critically. So I want to listen with you guys now. Let's go. You see, remember that pump? Yeah. I feel like we can have that sound there. It's going to be crazy. Yeah, so I like the guitar too. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm telling you. You know, I can see the person. I I don't know how to put it. I can see the person on this beat. Like I can see the person, the guy. Love it, love it. So yeah, shout out to YouTube, shout out to Google, but shout out to you guys. It was good working with you guys on this one. If only you guys can help this page to World Wave Radio. And if you are watching, if you like what you see, please like, subscribe. The class starts every Wednesday. We bring you new stuff. Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section what you would like to see and everything you would want me to talk about. We're starting this week. I want to take you guys from, little tips here and there. I'm not always here, so forgive me if I don't always come through for you. Let's go.